Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be talking about how we can use our coins in AliExpress. Now this works for both the website itself and also the app that we have, so this can be used in our mobile or our PC. Now don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you are notified whenever we upload a new video. Now go ahead and stick until the very end so that you don't miss a single detail. Now we are here right now in our AliExpress, and as you can see, we are logged in. If you're not logged in, just go ahead and log in. For you to know if you're logged in or not, you should be able to see your account name right here. Now how do we access our coins? Now in the app itself and also here in the website, go ahead and go into your accounts right here. So we can see in our options right here, we can see the my coins. So let's go ahead and click on this. So this is what we can use our coins in right now. So how do we earn coins? Well, we can earn coins by going into this app or going into the website daily. So I'm gonna go ahead and click collect right here, and then as you can see, I've managed to get that plus 20 right here. And now as you can see, it allows me to be able to save 16 pence. And of course, you know, the more that you continue with your streak, the more coins you are able to earn. And how can you actually use these coins? Well, these coins allows you to add additional extra offs from all of these right here. So coins are used for discounts, as you can see. And of course, the higher or the more coins you have earned, the more percentage that you can take off from all of these items right now. So as you can see, from that 20 coins that we've earned, we're able to get an additional extra 5% off from all of these items right here. So go right on ahead and collect more. And depending, of course, on the item itself, you can get an additional or an higher extra percentage off right here. So go right on ahead and collect all of the coins so that you are able to save even more and get a higher percentage off. I hope you have found this video useful. See you guys next time.